Hoffer Plastics is a 71-year-old family-owned company. We're a custom injection molder. We sit on approximately 24 acres and have 365,000 square feet under roof. Our mission is to go all in for people, plastics, and purpose. To define that mission a little bit, as we talk about going all in for people, that's about going all in for our customers and serving their needs, for our employees and providing for their families. We talk about going all in for plastics. Our products that we make out of plastics save lives every day. Our food grade products, they are extending the shelf life of food and preserving it, creating less food waste. For purpose, if we're winning, then the community in which we live and work should be winning.
We use DELMIAWorks across the board. Software plays a role in every department. Every department has modules that they use to communicate and to connect with their coworkers. I think the biggest thing that we've gained since implementing DELMIAWorks is visibility into our processes. The connectivity that we have across those different departments allows us to have insights from a variety of different sources, but all going into the same system. It makes data extraction pretty seamless for us in the IT department. We use BI dashboards, which is built into DELMIAWorks, to provide data in real time to a variety of departments. We have TVs up in the production floor showing their real-time view that we can then give them what job is next, how long do they have left, what's the performance of that job. We also have schedules in our tooling department that show similar information and give them a priority on what tools they should be working on. We have dashboards for our finance team that talk about revenues and margins. What's our backlog look like for the coming months? Anything that you could think of, we've populated into a dashboard to provide real-time information. One of the biggest things that we're focusing on right now is we want to reduce waste as much as possible. And it allows us to understand how many parts came out of that molding machine and how many of those went into a box of production. It's allowed us to cut our fallout in half since we went live, and since we've had that visibility. Here at Hoffer Plastics, we're pushing the envelope for what the software can accomplish. DELMIAWorks is definitely supporting us with the tools that we need, web APIs, IQDBX. The conversations are happening around real-time process monitoring. The support is there for sure from DELMIAWorks side, and so then we'll feed back into DELMIAWorks what our expectations are and where we'd like to see the product going. DELMIA stands for Digital Enterprise Lean Manufacturing Integrated Applications. It is kind of a mouthful, but it's meaningful. And DELMIAWorks allows us to run our operations efficiently. It's the software that helps us make decisions. It provides us with the data to confirm that those decisions were accurate.